Teacher and Principal Conversation in English. 100 sentences. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Please come in. Thank you, sir. How are things going? Everything is going well. I wanted to discuss something important. Please have a seat. Thank you. What would you like to talk about? I want to discuss student performance. How are the students doing? Most students are improving. That is good to hear. Some students need extra attention. What support do they need? More practice and guidance. I understand. We should help them. I agree. We can arrange extra classes. That sounds like a good idea. Have parents been informed? Not yet. Please contact them. I will do that. How is classroom attendance? Attendance has improved. Excellent. Are students participating actively? Yes, most students are active. That is encouraging. We are trying new teaching methods. That is wonderful. Are there any challenges? Some students are shy. Encourage them to participate. I will encourage them. How is discipline in class? Discipline is under control. Keep maintaining standards. Thank you for your support. You are doing a good job. I appreciate your feedback. What about exam preparation? Students are preparing seriously. That is good. Do you need any resources? Some additional materials would help. We will arrange then. Thank you very much. Are teachers facing any difficulties? Nothing major at the moment. Keep informing me if needed. Certainly, we want better results this year. We are working toward that goal. Keep motivating students. I will continue doing that. Have you planned any activities? Yes, educational activities are planned. That is excellent. Students enjoy interactive learning. I completely agree. Keep up the good work. Thank you, sir. How can we improve further? Focus on consistency. That is valuable advice. We will implement it. Excellent. Do you have anything else? No, sir. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Continue your hard work. I will. Let's work together. Absolutely. Our goal is student success. I agree completely. Keep supporting the team. Thank you. We appreciate your leadership. Thank you for saying that. Have a productive day. You too. I will return to class now. All right. See you later. See you, sir. Take care. Thank you. Keep inspiring students. I will do my best. Goodbye. Goodbye, sir. Have a great day. You too. Thank you again. See you tomorrow. Subscribe for daily English speaking videos.